In this video tutorial series where we will learn HTML and CSS by designing a web app or a single page application, web application. So here is a demo page which I built already. We'll design same this page. This video tutorials for absolutely for beginners. So if you want to learn the basics of HTML and CSS and how to design a web application or page, you can learn this video tutorial. So here is a navigation or navbar. In next we have a header, and here is a application download buttons for Android and iOS. The third number we have a menu. Here we have a country list which is related in Uber Eats. So not actual 100% Uber Eats web application page design or um, cologne. It's just for learning purpose, basics HTML and CSS. So in second last we have our blog or blog section. At the end we have a navigation as this footer. So let's start. You can install any text editor. In this video tutorial I will use Sublime Text. You can simply download and install a Sublime Text, or otherwise you can use Notepad or Notepad++ or any text editor. So I will create here a folder. The folder name is Uber Eats. You can create the folder anywhere in any location of your computer, like desktop or any drive. After that, open this folder in your text editor. First of all, here we will create a new file, index.html. If I type here HTML and hit tab or enter, here you can see Sublime Text generate some codes. Here is the title. If I save this HTML file and open in my browser from here, the title will come here. It's a simple HTML page without any text or any design. It's an empty page. Enter your title here and refresh. Now the Uber Eats is came here. Okay, so first of all we will write the HTML code for these two portions or two parts. First of all, the navigation or navbar and the header area. For navigation or nav, I will type here tag nav. In nav there is a three section, one for logo, one for input text field for search, and here is the sign in. So let's say this is separate, this one is a separate, and this one is a separate. I will take care image tag the source. Actually I already download images from Google which I use in this project, like this logo and these images. So I will use same images You can download images from any website or source like Unsplash or Pixabay or Google.com. So from our demo folder, I will take the images, all image assets. I'm going to copy and paste here. So we have here the images stuff. So for logo, dot, then slash, it means in current directory. So we have this logo, this svg file, save and refresh. You can see here we have a Uber Eats logo. The next thing, search, input search and a button. Class name, nav search. At the end, sign in, and this one, let's say in h3, save, refresh page. Okay, we have here a search input field, button, a sign in tag, h3 tag, and here is a logo. We have this nav HTML code. Now next step, to write a code for this header. Here I'm taking this tag header, and first of all we have here the background image, and here a menu, and left sidebar we have Android and iOS buttons. Class name, apps button, and next is class name, menu or header menu. Here we have 3 images. So here, as we can see, the image and the title. So we use the wrap, this one, inside a div tag. I have to close this one. Okay. Header menu, let's set a class name header menu item. We have image, this one, and the next we have a title. The name is, let's say, Chinese. The image with this one I have in this